Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Honor Health application. Or you know what? Before that, we need to make sure that some permissions are allowed for the notifications, or rather for the iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So open the settings first, my bad, I forgot about that. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings we need to tap on Bluetooth. And here you will see Honor Watch 5, maybe even two of them for some reason. And we need to tap on info icon next to one of them and see if it's the right page. And this is the right page, look for this one. And the second one looks like this. So this is not the one you want the one with this, with the system notifications option. And this share system notifications needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, what you need to do is to open the Honor Health application, and you need to go to the device page, so tap on device icon, select your Honor Watch 5 from the list, wait until it's done connecting, and once it's done, you can scroll down, tap on notifications, and turn on the notifications. And once you turn them on, wait for a few seconds and you should see some pop-ups about the permissions for the notifications. If you see them, allow all of the permissions. And once you allow them, you can just check. It should be working now, but double check it, I recommend. Tap on Bluetooth, tap on the info icon next to Honor Watch. And now this option should be here and it should be enabled, but I recommend to double check it. And once it's enabled and the notifications are turned on, you have options to turn on or off the notifications for messages, Gmail, and others. Messages is for the SMS, I think, basically messages. Gmail is for the email, and others is basically it will turn on notifications for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list. So I recommend to enable this option as well. Okay, so now we have the permissions enabled and the notifications enabled, so we should be able to receive them. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we see if it's working. Okay. And we got the notification on our iPhone. Let's check our watch, open the notification panel, and here it is. So to open the notification panel, you need to swipe up on the home screen like this. So it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.